Okay, hello everybody, this is your old pal Bluey the Monster. I want to tell you something real important, okay? This video will not feature Omar and their friends, okay? Because they're having Christmas shopping right now. They're out in public. So, there will be the videos that just feature plushes, including Franklin, Simon's cat, and others today, okay? Alright. Anyways, today's video is called The Kitten and the Birds. So, one day, I'll tell you when the kitten comes around, okay? Now, let's just enjoy, alright? Alright, here we go to the story. Okay, so one day, there was a kitten trying to enjoy the fun. And suddenly, something terrible happened. Hey! Ha! The kitten saw something terrible. It's those angry birds trying to get them in trouble. What's happening, Red? There's some kitten wanting to get in trouble. What? What are you talking about? No idea. More angry birds are coming. So I don't want to fall. We should go somewhere else. I know. Ooh. Sorry about that. That's a perfect place. Come on, guys. It's those angry birds. All the angry birds that are planning to get the kitten in trouble. Who is that? That's some kitten here. Meow. Meow. Ha ha ha! You are just a tiny jerk! Ha 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 ha! Oh no! Something's awful something happened to the kitten. Meow meow! Ha 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 ha! Ha ha! This is what he gets for being a troublemaker on the Simon's Cat series. Ha ha! Of course, all right. Ha ha! Yeah! SpongeBob, what was that? Oh, don't worry about it, Patrick. That's just some guy. That's some angry birds or something. Okay. Ha! Those angry birds again, troublemakers. Squidward, they're not troublemakers. Alright, that's fine. But I'm still thinking they're troublemakers. Shall we relax for a while? Good idea, Patrick. Yeah. And so, the kitten ran inside to the house, telling all of the friends about how the angry birds try to attack them. But they're not troublemakers, the pigs are troublemakers. Anyways, let's see what happens next. Sorry, Cat, I don't have time. I'm trying to be the narrator of the, video here. Alright. So, I heard that, what was that? Oh yes! I heard that Omar and friends are not here today because they're out in Christmas public. They're doing Christmas shopping and doing some Christmas land or something. Going to Christmas land? Is that a real place? Not at all. What do you think, Simon's cat? I thought so too. What should we do today here? I heard that Prairie Dawn may be returning. Really? We finally get to see her as a plush! Did you hear that, guys? Haha, it's the moment we've been waiting! Well, I'm back! Wow, it's good to see you, alright! Yep, I'm back, alright? Wow, Prairie Dawn, what took you so long? No idea. Me neither. Yep. Why isn't that Kitten chaos? Who is that? It's the kitten from Simon's Cat. How did you know that? I don't know. Wait a second, he's in danger. What's he in danger for? No idea. What's going on? Me neither. Alright, what's it to ya? What are you guys doing here? You just scared the kitten away. Well, you see, we're the Angry Birds, and we defeat pigs. Yeah, lots of pigs. And this time we're not doing something that's not the pig today. Yeah. This time we are defeating the kitten. Yeah. He's just a big jerk on Simon's Cat series. Uh-huh. What? Hold on a second. Are you okay right there? Yeah. Alright, you Angry Birds. You have no choice today. You are not going to defeat the kitten today. Now you need to expect you all to leave and defeat one of the pigs, like King Pig and Minion Pig and Chef Pig and all that. But we can't, because that kitten is just a troublemaker. So, I think I met one of you guys in the DVD reactions before. You're that white bird, right? You must be a new character on the series, whatever. And as for you, Bluebird, I haven't seen you around since you've been on the deleted scenes of All in Gets and Dead Meat on the JFFEC channel. It's an old video. Yeah. Now, I want y'all all to get out of here. Hold it right there. What's going on? What's meow? What's that noise? What is all that crash to that door? Sorry, Junior. Wait. Who is this? Who are you? I'm Junior. Junior? I just moved in here since September. And you know that kitten, right? Oh yes, I didn't know that. And Simon's Cat met him. Who's this pink girl? I'm Prairie Dawn, alright? Who is that? I'm Junior, but you guys might be the Angry Birds. Yes, we're the Angry Birds. Haha. You alright? Okay, we need to have a conversation, right? You are right. Of course. We need to fight one of them. But although we're not doing a battle video for defeating for like a real life movie, we are just actually doing a battle for fun. To see who is better defeating, like us or the Angry Birds. And that will start very soon. And I am planning to have more people to do our own battle fight. What was that? I'm sorry, kitten. Scoot you in the wow. What is all this noise coming from? Who is this? Why do you have earrings and why do you have something in your nose? You know, earrings for girls, you know. Yeah, I am Bully Bill. Bully Bill. Oh, SNL, right? Yes. It's those Angry Birds. Yes. Oh my, it's not the bomb. What is happening? Seems like we're getting new characters in this house. You said it. Okay, how many characters are we getting in this house? I have no idea. Well, me neither. What's all this noise coming from? It's not a bird, kitten. I actually said it. Now who is this now? Penelope. Oh, hi Penelope, I'm Periwinkle. And this is Franklin and Prairie Dawn and Simon's Cat and the birds. Those mean birds. Yeah, we're the Angry Birds. What's it to ya? Well, we defeat the pigs and... Yeah. Wow, never expect that. Me neither. Yeah. I don't know how many characters are we getting in this house. Don't know either. Same to you, Scratchy Hair. Don't call me Scratchy Hair. Sorry. Oh my gosh, son! Dad! Son! I never met you before. It's this new house I haven't been to. Uh-oh, we got a new SML character now. Maybe. You must be all... Wait, Junior and these are friends? Yeah. Never seen that before. Alright. Well, I'm happy to be back. Me too. I think we need to have a battle soon. I don't know about the battle. We're just the nice ones. We're not enemies. I agree. Hey Chuck, where are you going? I'm gonna go pay the bills. No, Chuck, come back. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. It's me, Mario, and me, Luigi. Hello there, guys. What are you doing so far so good? Well, I decided to have a plan. A plan? What's the plan? What's the plan? I know a plan. I am planning to invite all of you guys to a crossover party. A crossover party? A crossover party? What's a crossover party? A crossover party is where all the characters from their own show and own characters from their own YouTube channel gather around together. And where's it going to be at? The house where we're trying to get the kitten. What? Yes. Sorry. What are you doing? I'm trying to invite these guys to a crossover party. A crossover party! That would be better than a battle party. And then when we get back inside the house, we need to alert Periwinkle and others about this. You right. A crossover party where all the shows gather around. That's it. Be there when you can. See ya. Okay. A crossover party. That would be fun. SpongeBob, Patrick, what do you want? We're going to a crossover party. Be there if you can. Wait up. SpongeBob, a crossover party. All right, Patrick, let's go. Squidward, what do you want to? We're invited to the crossover party. SpongeBob and Patrick. Is this true? Yes, Squidward. Are you ready or what? Let's go. Come on if you can. Fine. This is gonna be stupid. Oh my gosh! What is everybody doing here? We just heard from Brandon and Chuck that they're planning to have a crossover party instead of a battle party. That's it! We have a crossover party with all the characters, our favorite characters, because we have not seen the wild. That's it. Let's do that. And we'll wait. That would be exciting. Yeah, I would have. We'll have to wait. Oh, crossover party. Oh, sorry. A crossover party. That's awesome. What are you waiting for? Let's wait for everybody so we can have fun. All right. So, instead of a battle party where the Kitten and the birds battle, they decided to have a crossover party instead. That is so awesome. Keep watching the rest. Mr. Krabs! What do you want me, boyo? We're having a crossover party, so would you like to come along? A crossover party? Wait up! I bet there would be money. Sorry to get a hold on you two. We're just having a crossover party today. Oh boy, that would be exciting. Come on, what are you waiting for? Let's go. Wait up. Gary! Oh, there you are. Meow. We gotta get a hold on, Gary. You're having a crossover party. Meow. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna steal that secret formula. Just what do you think you're doing? Oh, nothing. You're invited to the party too, are you? A crossover party? You guessed it! Haha, I'm invited. Let's go. Hey, wait up, Plankton. Alright, Where should I find the next person to be invited for this crossover party? Oh! Ooh! Oh! Hello! Who are you? I'm Rosalina! Rosalina? Oh! Get up already. Alright, I'm up. Alright. I just heard about the crossover party. Yeah, tell me about it. Are you invited? Well, come on, let's go. Okay. Chef Pee-Pee! What do you want, Black? Do you want to go to a party? Be there if you can. Okay. Sandy! Oh, that includes Bubbles, Stella, Caillou, and Blue Magenta. Where's Terrace and Tail? Well, they're not here today. Okay, Sandy. Come on, guys, we don't want to be late for the party. Wow, a party. That'll be cool. Lots and lots of people later. Oh. Look at all the people that we have invited for this crossover party. Look at how much we have. Yeah, like how many people we have? Lots. Seriously. Would you look at that? Oh, I didn't want to fall off. That's how plushes are, frankly. So, let's see, how many people we have here today? We have Peridon and SpongeBob and Patrick and Simon's Cat and Kitten. Let's see, there's Crabs and the Blue and Magenta and Plankton, Chef Pee-Pee. Some new characters like Sweet Chef, Rosalina. She's new, right? We have Patrick, Roy, Maria, Elizabeth, and the Angry Birds and the Minion Pig. Like, what the heck? Oh no, there's one other something we forgot. What's that? Kermit the Frog! Yes! Oh no, I can't believe Kermit the Frog is missing. Or maybe he made me sick. Maybe he wasn't invited today. Did somebody invite you for a crossover party? Kermit the Frog! That's it! He's the last one! Yep, I'm the last one invited for this crossover party. What are you waiting for? Let's party! Yay! Whoa, how many friends do we have here? Lots. Gonna join. Isn't this great, Patrick? Yes, it's great, SpongeBob. Isn't it great, Plankton? Yeah, I'm sure, Crabs. Wow, this is driving me too much insane. Wait a minute. Maybe we should tell Kitten something. You should. Kitten Chaos. That's his name. We are very sorry that we were mean to you. We shouldn't be doing such terrible things to you about how much we hate you so much. Yeah, tell me about it. Yeah, we're sorry. Well, it's time for the party to start. We shouldn't be mean to you. We are so sorry, Kitten Chaos. Meow, meow. See? I warned you all. I warned you guys. I warned you this shouldn't be that bad. It's okay. So, should we get the party started? What are you waiting for? Let's get the party started. Franklin, where are you? Oh. Don't worry, Scratchy Hair. Stop calling me Scratchy Hair. Okay. Maybe I can sit right here. Yeah, I'll sit right here. Alright, everybody, we're all here. Let's party! I'm happy. And so, everyone had a great time at the crossover party and lived happily ever after. The end. Anyways, we hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. And we also got new characters you see. And post comments down below and share this video too. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. And yes. Well, bye everybody. Bye.